How to monetize Instagram Reels or make money with Instagram Reels. So if you want to monetize your Instagram Reels, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and you can scroll down. Go with account type and tools, and just go with switch to business account. So first you need to switch to a professional account. Go with continue. Once you switch your account to a professional account, now here it says that if you want to create a creator account or a business account, so you just need to simply go with business and go with next, and you can set up your professional account, but in my case I'll just skip that. Now you can reload your page and again go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and scroll down. You'll have business tools and controls right here for professionals, so just tap on it. Once you tap on the tools and controls, you just need to simply go with monetization status, and here you will have your monetization. So you just need to simply go with the following process. And here it says you're able to monetize, so you just need to simply go back, and if you go with add payments, you can simply add your payment methods. Go with payment methods and add your payment methods, and in this way you'll be able to monetize your Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.